Hello. In this lecture, we are going to learn about sets and dictionaries. Let us start with sets. A set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. It is a built-in data type that is used to store unordered collection of unique elements. Now, sets are mutable. That means you can add or remove elements, but they do not allow you to duplicate values. In Python, sets are created using curly brackets or using the set function. Let us check how to make a set. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Vowels is equal to set aeiou. Since sets are unordered, you cannot access elements by index. Instead, you can check for the presence of an element using the in operator. Let us try using the in operator to check if I exists in the vowel set. You can see that the result is true, which means that I actually exists in the set named as vowels. Now, let us discuss how we can modify a set. Sets have methods to add and remove elements. Some add. It adds a single element to the set. Update. It adds multiple elements to the set. Remove. It removes a specific element. Discard. It removes an element if present, but does not raise an error if it is not found. Pop. It removes and returns an arbitrary element from the set. Let us start with the add function. To add one element in a set, we can use add function. But to add more than one element in a set, we have to use the update function. Let us check with an example. Fruits.add mango. It adds a new element, mango, in the set fruits. Now, let us take an example for the update function. Fruits.update watermelon, papaya. This adds watermelon and papaya in the set fruits. Now, as we have added elements into a set, let us try removing elements from a set. To remove elements from the set, we have two different functions, namely remove and discard. Let us find out the difference between these two functions. Fruits.remove mango. This will remove the element mango from the fruits set. But when we execute this code, it raises an error because kiwi is not present in the set. So whenever we try to remove elements which are not already present in the set, remove function raises an error. Now, let us try the discard function. Fruits.discard kiwi. As kiwi is not present in the set, it cannot be removed from the set, but it does not raise an error. So, the difference between remove and discard is clear now. Apart from remove and discard, we can also remove elements from the set using the pop function. But the pop function removes the last element from the set. Please keep in mind that sets are unindexed, so Python can remove any element. Fruits.pop, print fruits. A random item has been removed from the set. Now, as we have already discussed the different ways of removing elements from the set, let us check how to empty a set. So we have a function called clear, which is used to empty a set in Python. Fruits.clear. It results in an empty set. With this, we have witnessed all the operations that could be performed on a set. But sets can also be used to carry out mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and difference. Let us begin with the set union. Union of two sets is the set of all elements from both the sets. The union can be performed in two ways. One is by using the OR operator, and the second is by using the union method. Let us see how to use these two ways to perform the union operation. For example, let us define two sets, set 1 and set 2. Set 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Set 2 is equal to 3, 4, 5. The union of set 1 and set 2 results in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we have the set intersection. The intersection of two sets is the set of elements that are present in both the sets. The set intersection is performed using the AND operator or using the intersection method. For example, taking the same set 1 and set 2, the intersection of these two sets results in 3. Finally, we have the set difference. We are going to take the same example, set 1 and set 2. The difference between set 2 from set 1 is the set of elements that are only in A but not in B, and vice versa. And with this, we have completely learned about sets and its operations. Now, let us get into dictionaries in Python. So basically, dictionary is an unordered collection of data values that is used to store data values like a map. That is, a dictionary holds the key value pair. The values in the dictionary can be of any data type and can repeat, while keys in the dictionary must be of immutable type, string, number, or tuple with immutable elements, and must be unique. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. Let us take an example. We are defining a dictionary called car. Car is equal to brand, Ford, model, Mustang, year 1964. Brand, model, and year are the keys in the dictionary car. And Ford, Mustang, and 1964 are the values in the dictionary. Now, let us try accessing the items of the dictionary. We can access the items of a dictionary by using the method named getMethod. Let us check in the case of the dictionary car. Print car get brand. This results in Ford, which is the value of the key brand. We can access the items of the dictionary without using the get method by simply referring to the key name of the dictionary inside the square brackets. Let us check this out using an example. Now this time we are not using the get method. Print car brand. This also returns the same result. Let us see how we can modify the dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are mutable. We can add new items or even change the value of existing items using an assignment operator. If the key is already present, then the existing value gets updated. In case the key is not present, a new key value pair is added to the dictionary. Let us take an example and try to change the value of the key already present. Car brand is equal to Maruti. Print car. This results in brand Maruti, model Mustang, year 1964. The value of the key brand is changed to Maruti. Now, let us try adding another key value pair into the dictionary car. Car color is equal to red. Print car. This results in brand Maruti, model Mustang, year 1964, color red. The new key value pair has been successfully added into the dictionary. Now the next topic that we are going to learn about is nested dictionaries. A nested dictionary is a dictionary inside a dictionary. So it is a collection of dictionaries into one single dictionary. You can see the code on your screen. Let us create a nested dictionary to store the marks of students who have appeared in an exam. You can see the code on your screen. So we have created a nested dictionary called Students Marks, which consists of 3 different dictionaries referring to the different students in the class. And these dictionaries consist of keys maths, science, and English, which is common, but they contain different values for different dictionaries. Now, let us try to access these values present in the nested dictionary. Let us try to access marks scored by Mohan. Print student marks Mohan. You can see the result on your screen. If we want to get only the math score of Mohan, then we can write this. This results in 80. Now, a new student took admission called Rohan. So we have to add the details of his marks into the existing dictionary. Let's do that. You can see the result on your screen. Now, we have already learned how to add a dictionary inside a dictionary. Let us check how to delete an existing dictionary. So Shyam is leaving our institute. So let us try to remove his details of marks. Here is the code. This removes the key Shyam and the nested dictionary with it. With this, we have learned about one more interesting data structure in Python. Now, dictionaries are useful when you want to store and retrieve data based on specific keys. They are efficient for lookup operations and provide a flexible way to organize and manipulate data. Now, before we end this lecture, let me share an important thing about dictionaries, which is that slicing is not possible in a nested dictionary.